Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Ronnie Margot. Follow me on the internet. Everything is Ronnie Margot. So today we're starting off with a 15-ounce straight tumbler. I painted it red, and it does have a coat of epoxy on it, so I can go in with my vinyl strips. This strip is 1.5 inch. This cup is for a boy I know. Um, he loved cars, and he kept telling me when he grew up that he wanted a Lamborghini. Um, so why not make a Lamborghini inspired cup? He told me his favorite color was red. Now this design was really hard for me, not because of straight lines, y'all, because y'all already know. And if you don't know, I'm about to tell you, straight lines and me, we don't get along. Like, I see it, but it just don't be, I don't know. Y'all see how many times I done put up that vinyl? But I got it together. Look. It looks straight, right? That's a straight line, right? It's straight. So, um, this design, I was thinking about a car. I wanted to do, I had so many ideas. Like, I wanted to do like a NASCAR themed car with so many logos and everything in that nature. But I just was like, let's try to go simple, because I just don't know. Simple is very hard for me. Like, I feel like I am over the top, and everything that I make has to be over the top. But I really like this simple design, and I'm glad I went this simple route, because everything don't have to be complicated, you know. When I was pushing out the ideas for this cup, it was so my process anytime I start a design, whether it be graphic design or a tumbler, I'm drawing out what I want the cup to look like. I'm doing different sketches. I am pulling different paints. I am writing down spray paints. And sometimes some sketches come together, and some don't. But this one came together lovely, and I'm so happy. So I was just checking. See, right here I was thinking about wrapping the excess around to the other side, and when I was doing it, it wasn't looking right. So, keep it simple. Keep it simple, sweetie. Kiss, baby, kiss.